Welcome to WallSparks. Today we will show you our weekly haul. GameCube Spider-Man 3. This game has a well-crafted storyline which keeps players engaged and entertained. GameCube Beautiful Joe 2. This game is designed for kids, but it can be immensely enjoyable for people of all ages. GameCube Hulk. Combining action, stealth, tactics, and combat, the game presents a thrilling experience with Hulk. GameCube Power Rangers Dino Thunder. Very entertaining to play. If you're a fan of Power Rangers, this game is ideal for you. GameCube Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon. I had an amazing time playing this game. It never felt too difficult or tedious at any point. GameCube Smuggler's Run War Zones is a perfect option for anyone who appreciates the excitement of off-road driving. GameCube GoldenEye Rogue Agent. Thrilling game with impressive graphics, an array of advanced weaponry, and the perfect balance of strategy and innovation. GameCube Need for Speed Underground. My sons enjoy cars immensely, and there are plenty of them around. GameCube Defender. Such a strong sense of nostalgia when playing this. GameCube Tak 2, The Staff of Dreams. This is still a great game after all these years, and its graphics are quite impressive. GameCube 007, Everything or Nothing. If you have a GameCube at home, I highly recommend picking this up for some fun. Check out our review section for more game infos and gameplay previews. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.